5 foods to stop snoring. By paying attention to food and eating the right food will help you stop snoring. Some effective ways to stop snoring include nasal strips and special medications, and some may be an efficient and long-lasting solution. However, food is easily available and can sometimes help stop or control snoring. This video we will talk about 5 foods that could have some effect on snoring. These are honey, peppermint tea, fish, olive oil and soy milk. Number 1. Honey. Honey can be added to any drink throughout the day and will be a delicious way to stop snoring. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties and can open the airways widely, leading to a good night's sleep. Number 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is very effective in reducing the amount of sputum and improving the passage of the entire airway, including the throat. Number 3. Fish. Eating fish is very good for you and should be actively incorporated into your daily diet. Eating fish more often and eating white meat than lean meat can help stop snoring. This is because lean meat and saturated fatty acids can cause cramps that cause inflammation of the nasal passages. This not only improves your sleep quality but also improves your general health. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil is the best oil because it minimizes the intake of saturated fatty acids. Olive oil is also a natural anti-inflammatory agent, so it prevents snoring and improves sleep quality. Number 5. Soy meal. It is recommended to switch from milk to soy milk. Milk increases mucus in the throat, which can easily lead to increased snoring. Incorporating the foods introduced here into your daily diet will help you get a good night's sleep and improve your quality of life. Also, enduring snoring often affects a couple's relationship. If your snoring improves, the people around you will be happy too.